This is a programmable copy RF remote. You can duplicate your existing RF remote control with it, which is very useful for car remotes. In this video, I will show you how you can copy or clone your existing remote control. Keep in mind that it can only copy RF remotes, not IR remotes. It operates on a 433 MHz RF remote transmitter and has a small antenna. There are 4 programmable keys. I am removing this screw. You can see the circuit quality is not bad. Now I am inserting a 23A battery. It is a non-rechargeable battery. Now you can see here is an LED indicator and it indicates when I am pressing the button. I did not find any instruction manual or proper guide from the internet about this particular remote. So I will show you according to my practical experience. Before programming the buttons, I have to reset this remote to remove any previously recorded code. I am pressing and holding the 2 upper side buttons marked with up and down arrows. After a few seconds, I noticed some changes on the LED indicator. You can see now when I am pressing buttons, the LED blinks only one time, not continuously, which means the buttons do not have any code. Now I will copy this RF remote. It has only 2 buttons. I have to press both remote buttons at the same time, keeping both remotes as close as possible. I am pressing the B button and the down arrow button together. The B button is copied. Now copying to the A button on the up arrow key. You can see here 2 buttons are loaded and others are empty. Now I will test if my copy remote is working or not. Here you can see the LED turning on and off using this original remote. Now working with this copy remote. You can restore your previously recorded code by pressing and holding those 2 buttons. It works like pressing Ctrl Z on a keyboard. Please let me know in the comments if you have any queries about this remote. Thank you for watching. See you soon.